Just so there's no confusion, what everybody referred to as coleus in the past is now technically called plectranthus. With that out of the way, a new, small but mighty form for the ColorBlaze collection is ColorBlaze Mini-Me Watermelon, a compact, highly branched variety requiring no pinching or PGRs for growers. Ideal for smaller scale sun or shade recipes, tight spaces in containers or landscapes, ColorBlaze Mini-Me Watermelon will add a splash of vivid color to any garden setting.